For the recipe, go to Gozney.com. For the recipe, go to Gozney.com. For the recipe, go to Gozney.com.
He's a
Tom
pro.
Gozney.
Yeah.
Hi, it's John from AngloThai here, and I'm here at Tom Gozney's crib, cooking in the back garden in the Roccbox. Today, I'm going to cook a dish that I'm really excited to show you guys. It's something that we came up with very recently. So I'm going to be cooking black pepper fish sauce caramel chicken wings. So we got our chicken wings here. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to lightly oil them and then season them with a little bit of salt. You want them nice and coated. This will stop them sticking from the pan. I've got a pan already getting hot in the Roccbox at the moment. So they're nicely coated, seasoned with salt. They'll probably sizzle straight away. And they're getting nice and brown already. So Roccbox is on about 400 degrees at the moment. So it's not on full whack, but it is still pretty hot. Nice colour, just starting to develop on the wings. And then I'm just going to leave them in there to start cooking. And we're just going to make a paste from black peppercorns, a little bit of salt, some ginger and some garlic. And then in with garlic and ginger. You could do this in a food processor if you wanted to. And I'm also going to stick a couple of little bird's eye chilies in there. And I'm just going for like a sort of coarse paste. I'll just check on the chicken. The emphasis here is getting the flavour of the black peppercorns. You probably saw I used quite a bit of black peppercorn there. That's like a flavour characteristic from Phuket. They make a caramel from fish sauce, sugar, and black peppercorn. So I'm sort of riffing off those flavours for this dish. Give them a bit of a shake in the Roccbox and then you get some flame licking the chicken. So you probably see they're nice and golden brown, seared all over. They're not quite finished cooking, but we're going to finish them in a bit. So just let them chill out there for a bit. What we're going to do is we're going to go straight in this pan with some sugar, and then I've got some fish sauce and a little bit of water here. We're basically going to start making a loose caramel. I'm just swirling the pan around to dissolve that sugar. So just be careful when you're mixing the sugar and creating the caramel. It can get very hot. That's kind of what we're looking for. We don't want anything darker than that. And what we're going to do, we're just going to put this paste in and then back in the Roccbox. I'm just going to dissolve that paste. It smells really like aromatic now. You can smell like the garlic and the ginger and the chilies. So basically now that we've got the caramel made, I'm just going to go back in with the chicken wings, get them nice and coated. And then we're just going to go back in. And the idea now is we're just going to finish off the cooking. We're going to reduce the caramel and like just keep on glazing up those chicken wings. It's going to be super, super delicious. And inside there, I can see it now. As the caramel's like bubbling and reducing, it's like bubbling up over the chicken and glazing it. You can see now like it's getting all glazed and caramelized. Just going to turn over all the chicken wings. And then one last little glaze in the Roccbox. There we go. It's chicken wings all caramelized up. You can see there's like a nice sticky glaze on it now. Caramel consistency. Can't get enough of this caramel glazed all over the chicken. You know that's going to be good. Lovely plate from Tom's gaff. Just going to cut a few spring onions, like nice and thin on the angle. This is just going to bring a bit of freshness, make the dish healthy. And then a little bit of chili because, you know, it's Thai food. So we're ready to plate up. Bronson's here. You can smell the chicken wings. Yeah, so they're wicked, nice and coated. Get a bit more of this. And then we're just going to go on with some of this fresh bits that we chopped. And then a little bit of coriander, good measure. Phuket Town black pepper caramel chicken wings.
Who's coming in? Diz, you going? Mate, I'm going.
Which one?
Oh, mate. Oh my God.
I have to eat one as well.
This definitely breaks my keto. Mate, that's so good. And that glaze.
Good, aren't they?
Oh my goodness. Tangy, sweet and spicy. Epic.